It is so fucking hot for absolutely no goddamn reason. But you know what? I'm gonna vlog this shit. Why the fuck am I able to hear snakes? Anyway, I'm just gonna lock my door and then we're gonna go to the mall. It is so hot. My face is gonna melt off. This is essential. Now we're ready. मैं यहाँ आ ही चुकी हूँ तो मेरे को व्लॉगिंग भी शुरू कर ही देनी चाहिए यार. टैलेंट है, मन है, पैसा तो नहीं है पर होगा एक दिन. So there's that. I hope I'm audible because if I'm not, that's gonna be fucking. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! It's hot. Look at me with my water bottle and my bag and doing big girl things. I'm going to the mall to get some stuff. And this is like the 5th time that I'm going to the mall. So that's fucking amazing. Let's go. Okay, I will just never shut up about the heat because it's so fucking hot. It's actually crazy. I'm like melting right now. But luckily the train station is just right there. So I'm happy about that. Also, I bought this iPhone 17 Pro where they have this dual effect. So might as well use it, right? Because why did I buy it? I'm not going to take the stairs because I'm not in a condition to. I'm going to take the elevator. I'm tired. Tap, tap, tap. Let's go. Ignore my bangs because why the fuck not? My train is going to come in 12 minutes. Now I've got to wait in this heat. Fantastic. I hate this. भाई भगवान ने इतनी गर्मी क्यों बनाई? मतलब इंडिया में गर्मी कम थी जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी गर्मी झेलो. I hate this. मैं छाया में खड़ी तो भी इतनी गर्मी हो रही है. What the fuck? I hate this. I'm sad, but at least I'm sad in Australia. So there's something. Never take it for granted. I'm not gonna. Totally forgot I was vlogging. I'm in the train. About to reach. Okay, so I'm here. And first of all, it's so fucking crazy to me that this is the 5th time in the last 5 days that I've been in Australia. And I know the chappa chappa of this mall. I know what store is on what floor. And bro, it's like, why do I come here every day? I just keep forgetting things. It's so unlike me. I'm like a through and through to-do list person, but I keep forgetting. And here I am, yet again. It's so fucking crowded. And the mall looks like a mall. You know, it doesn't make a difference to me whether I'm in Australia or in India because 90% of the people in Australia are Indians. So there is that. सब भाई बंधु ही हैं यहाँ पे. I'll catch you all later. सबसे गंदी चीज़ जो मुझे इस मॉल के बारे में लगती है ना, या इन जनरल मॉल्स के बारे में लगती है, वो ये है that they are so fucking big. I haven't even reached the store that I want to go to. It's like all the way to the end. और पता है यहाँ bathrooms कैसे हैं? All the way to the other end. Come on, man. Culture shock है ये. Yep, we've reached. Okay, I've taken off my sunglasses and this is what I've purchased so far. I'm trying to find kitchen towels, but no luck yet. I also have to find plates and some glasses because if I have people over, what am I going to feed them on? Okay, I found mugs. I don't know if they're 75 cents. Oh, they're expensive. I think I'll go to a different section. I need kitchen towels. मिल गए. Which one should I buy? 650. I think I'll buy 10. ठीक रहेगा ना? पता नहीं भाई. I'm adulting for the first time. I am 15 in the body for 24-year-old. So, I don't know. ओके तो यहाँ पे $6 का हैंड वॉश मिल रहा है. मैं $6 के हैंड वॉश का करूँगी क्या? इतने तो मेरे हाथ भी गंदे नहीं होते हैं. दिस सक्स ब्रो. इट एक्चुअली सक्स. स्पेशली मैं डोंट हैव अ जॉब राइट नाउ. एक पैसा मुझे INR में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ रहा है बिकॉज मेरा तो है नहीं. वेयर द फक इज हैंड वॉश? वो बस एक ही हैंड वॉश है उधर. तो दैट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. क्या करूँ? चैट. बट इट्स जस्ट $6 दो. शुड आई गेट इट? Is it hand wash? It says body and hand. ले लेती हूँ क्या जा रहा है. मम्मी डांटेगी तो डांटेगी. Okay, as an Indian who's not earning shit, this is like a sight to see. So, gonna buy all of it. Not all of it, but like 75 cents का एक कप है ना. तो I'm gonna get 2. And I'm also gonna get some plates because एज आई सेड, मेरे घर में कोई आएगा तो मैं खाना कैसे खिलाऊंगी किसी को. आई एम सो प्राउड आई पेड फॉर माई सेल्फ ऑल ऑन माई ओन. कुड नॉट बी मोर हैप्पी. हाउ मच डिड आई स्पेंड? 2965. आई एम सो प्राउड. मेरे को ये सब चीज़ें बहुत एंजाइटी देती थी 3-4 महीने पहले तक, बट आई एम डूइंग दिस ऑन माई ओन. आई कैन डू दिस. आई ट्रस्ट माई सेल्फ. नाउ वी गोना गो टू अ डिफरेंट स्टोर. आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ. So I came to Kohl's to ask around if they're hiring, but they're not. It's a little discouraging, but you know what? I'm also not going to give up. Life's tough, but so am I. So I'm going to keep applying. Let's see. हो तो जाएगा, but वही है कि it's okay. कुछ बड़ा ही आएगा अगर ये नहीं है तो. So the shopping is done for the day. I just bought one more socket adapter actually, and I am going back home now. So all in all, a productive day in terms of shopping, in terms of job, but you know what, not gonna let my spirits get crushed. We've got this. It's just been 5 days since I landed, and it's just been like 2 days since I started looking for a job. It's okay, we can do this. सब लोग मॉल क्यों आते हैं? क्यों आते हैं सब मॉल? Back at the train station. So hot, man. My God, sunny again. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. You've got to be fucking kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. चलो एक ट्रेन है जो मेरी लोकेशन में मेरे को 12 मिनट में पहुँच, मतलब 12 मिनट बाद आएगी. ओह भाई, something is better than 30 minutes at least. I'm finally on the train. So hot. ट्रेन में ठंड है, यहाँ बहुत गर्मी है. Enjoying the view is the best part about traveling on a train. Look at that. Just the sun, everything. If it wasn't that hot, I would have enjoyed this. Low key. I will enjoy it in a month. It'll be autumn, I think, in a month. So there you go. और धूप देखो, मर नहीं जाएगा इंसान. What the fuck? और मेरे बाल भी देखो. भाई, I hate summers. I hate it. I'm back home. Oh my God. So fucking hot. It's crazy, man. Plus सामान इतना भारी है यार. I did sign up for this. I can't say that I did not sign up for this. I definitely did sign up for this. It's just new. I'm not used to it yet, so I need to get a car because it's gonna be difficult without it. So hot.